The Generac basic generator, a purebred Americanist manufacturer stated. Firstly, the location. It's placed on backyards, so as not to disturb people. The front door and all life are over there, bedroom and etc. And on this side of the house we have boiler room, technical rooms and so on. Here is the gas pipeline and generator itself. Let's examine it. It has no exhaust pipe. As you can see, it has only air vent to gulp air, one there, and front one here. Another vent is on the other side, but it serves as exhaust system. There is an exhaust pipe behind it. Quite aesthetic. About the features of its placement. Generator is placed on the hard surface, on the field stove. The stove is a little bigger size so that you can stand on it while it's raining and take care of the generator. Important thing is that it's located on the distance from the building. It's a manufacturer regulation for air to flow around it properly and to reach all destinations. Also, it has no awning, but it's not that bad. Snow may fall, but it makes sense to get it out from the top sometimes, so snowbanks not to fall down and make generator to breathe. Speaking of the inlet, all of it locally is in one place. There is a gas input with shut-off valve, just in case to shut it off at any time. A power cable that goes out from it. Also, the signal cables for signals and power supply. And something else, which I have forgotten actually. So all the cables are concentrated in this part of the generator and is all carefully hidden inside the house. About the generator itself. There is a lid on this side for fast access. Here we have a magic eye with light emitting diodes. If it's green, it means everything's okay, it's charging, it's in the automatic mode, and nothing to worry about. There is also two more LEDs here, yellow and green. Yellow's for attention, something is wrong. Red is for some mistake, so pay attention. A switch for auto mode. And here is the holder. Handy thing. Two locks, one here, and another keyhole on the other side. It opens like a chest, like this. So now we have the access to the generator. A control panel where we can see a switch between off, auto and manual modes. The display shows its status, time, date and many other things. Also we have the access to this section. These are dipstick to check oil level, air filter and this one to pour oil. We can also open lower level for servicing. Here we have the battery and oil filter itself. And this is our invention, an adjustable thermostat. Okay, now let's close it. So here it is, the Generac gas generator.